Making trust visible, a key to effective communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in both personal and professional contexts: making trust visible. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their relationships and communication skills. So, let's explore what it means to make trust visible and how you can apply it in your daily life. The phrase, making trust visible, refers to the actions and behaviors individuals exhibit to demonstrate their reliability, honesty, and integrity to others. It's not just about telling someone you can be trusted. It's about showing it through your actions. This concept is rooted in the idea that trust is not merely an emotion or belief but a tangible outcome of consistent, trustworthy behavior. Making trust visible is crucial for building strong, lasting relationships. Whether in friendships, family, work, or any social interaction, visible trust fosters a sense of security and understanding. It allows people to feel safe, valued, and respected. In professional settings, it can lead to more effective teamwork, smoother communication, and increased productivity. Simply put, when trust is visible, it creates a positive environment where people can thrive. Making trust visible involves several key behaviors and practices. 1. Be consistent. Show reliability through consistent actions. If you say you're going to do something, do it. 2. Communicate openly and honestly. Keep lines of communication open. Share your thoughts, feelings, and information transparently. 3. Show respect. Treat others with respect and kindness. Acknowledge their feelings and views, even if you disagree. 4. Admit mistakes. Owning up to your mistakes shows humility and honesty, reinforcing trust. 5. Follow through on promises. Deliver on your commitments. This shows you are dependable and trustworthy. 6. Be patient and understanding. Trust building takes time. Be patient with others and show understanding towards their situations and mistakes. Making trust visible is a powerful approach to strengthening any relationship. By demonstrating trust through your actions, you create a foundation of reliability and integrity that others can see and feel. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of making trust visible and how you can incorporate these practices into your daily interactions. Remember, building trust is a journey that requires consistency, openness, and respect. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. See you in the next video.